You see that haze on the horizon. Air quality suddenly getting dramatically worse. And it's not due to the temperatures. We still have that fresh ocean air coming on shore, a nice breeze, some moisture in the air, even though there are no clouds. We're cooler than yesterday, currently only 65. But look at this air quality index, suddenly 150, unhealthy for sensitive groups, just a point away from being unhealthy for everyone. And the National Weather Service in Hanford saying that's due to the fires burning up over northern California. The smoke was pushed offshore and it was out over the Pacific. And now this fresh breeze is dragging it back in. So that cooler ocean air does keep our temperatures very mild. We're seeing some high thin clouds coming through, but we're also seeing the smoke coming in and getting stuck. So that's why the air quality is suddenly so bad, and it's expected to stay pretty hazy right on through the weekend. But these mild seasonal temperatures are also expected to last through the weekend. So that's good news. Some low 90s here on the valley floor, the lower average of 95. We also have low 90s for Kernville and Isabella, 80s in Glenville and most of those southern mountains, 74 in Pine Mountain Club today, and still 101 in Ridgecrest, but 90s for the rest of the desert and a little bit of a breeze there this evening. Now heading into that hazy weekend, you see temperatures slowly climbing but staying pretty average, and then a stronger breeze next week should not only mean low 90s for a couple days but better air quality, so we like that. Heading into next weekend, the beginning of September, it looks like we have a new warming trend heading our way, but we're still able to hold off those 100s for now. They can pop up next month, but we won't have those long heat wave stretches anymore. Kern River Valley low 90s through Monday, possibility for upper 80s Tuesday. So Tehachapi, your 80s this weekend, trying to fall to the 70s by Tuesday, and Frazier Park still looking at the possibility of a couple days with highs just in the 70s there next week.